In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an app from the Shopify App Store into your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to enhance functionality, streamline operations, or add new features, apps can be a game changer for your business. To kick things off, we'll start by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. Here you'll land on the Home section, which is essentially your command center. This is where you manage various aspects of your store, from checking orders to updating your product listings. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to move your cursor to the left-hand side of the screen and look for the Add button. Clicking this will open up a new set of options designed to expand your store's capabilities. The goal here is to seamlessly integrate tools and features that can optimize your store's performance and customer experience. Next, you'll want to venture into the Shopify App Store. This is your marketplace for tools specifically designed to work with Shopify. It's a treasure trove of applications ranging from marketing and sales to store design and customer service. You can find what suits your store's needs by exploring different categories or using the search functionality. Speaking of searching, let's go ahead and put it to use. In the search bar, type in Rewind Backups. Rewind Backups is a popular app that offers automatic backup solutions, ensuring your valuable store data is safe and retrievable whenever needed. Protecting your data with an app like this is a wise step for maintaining the integrity and continuity of your store operations. After searching for Rewind Backups, take a moment to look through the results. Click on the app, which will bring you to a page providing more detailed information. This page should not only give you a clear idea of what the app does, but also showcase reviews and ratings from other users, offering you valuable insight into its effectiveness and user satisfaction. When you're ready to move forward, you'll want to click on the Install button. This action will prompt Shopify to begin the installation process. During this time, you may be asked to confirm the installation or give the necessary permissions for the app to function properly within your store. Make sure to review these permissions carefully to ensure they align with your store's policies and your comfort level. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly add powerful tools to your Shopify store, enhancing its capabilities and providing your customers with a better experience. Whether you're safeguarding your data or exploring new ways to grow your business, the Shopify App Store is an invaluable resource. Thanks for watching and happy selling!